Hello, right, I'm going to show you this Ford Transit camper van, 6 meters in length, and as you see, it's got 4 sleeping places and 5 sitting places, and it's got a shower as well as a rear bathroom. Right, they've got 3 seating places there. They've got a table, 2 chairs, captain's chairs, which have been turned around. We've got the kitchen at the rear, offering 2 burners over here. And and we can see the bed here at the front coming out, and that was a very good service I got there without asking, I might add. And so there you have the bed, very quickly done down there. And so we'll now operate the bed up here, and which is this button here, I think. And let's press the button and see what happens.
It's this button.
Oh, it's this button. Sorry, got the wrong button. So nothing blocking, and there you've got the bed up front as well. So you can see you've got quite a lot of space. But what is good about this layout here, I think, is that we could even sit in the seats up front as well at the table, should we so want to, whilst somebody upstairs is now sleeping. It's not drinking. You can stay drinking. So we've got my colleague here, my assistant is putting the table in position at the moment, and as you can see, there is a reasonable amount of space to actually sit there. Table comes out, as you can see, very easily, and they've got a long table, and that's sufficient there for a number of people. Bit of space above the head as well, so it's a bit like sitting in a car, really. It's not really much different to that, so that's good. In most camper vans, indeed, as you'll have seen in previous videos I've done, or even motorhomes, when the bed is down, you can't actually sit at the table. So that's it. So that's a very positive feature. Okay, so let's now come to the rear. And what else we got? About storage here. We've got a fridge here, with a door that opens both ways. Storage there. Clever thing at the back down here is this shower unit. Toilet there, bench toilet, much easier to clean than anything else. We've got the sink here. We have got on the other side, we've got some more storage. Oh, it's a bit tight, that door. And as you can see in there. And of course we can close the shower if we're feeling a bit shy via this sliding door here. And in the rear door, we've got space for holding equipment and outdoor things and all the rest. Now let's have a quick step out via this rear step here, which not many people put a rear step in. Let's come round the side again. Family XL from Matist, from Steinbrück, which is near Münster in Bielefeld, northern Germany. You've got the link up there. You can contact them if you've got any questions, because I probably won't know the answer. Note also how the Fiat awning sort of comes out a little bit further. That's because of the shape of the main car, the Ford. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.